Me have to make employee of the month every month. To keep up. Because I have a whole more for your blood clot talk about. Because my me are getting to talk. So I'm going to make your throat bust and your neck bustle. Yeah. Yeah. Because remember, you know, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2020 blood clot fight. The year of blood clot done. Man shall turn me in a blood clot mascot. And I see there, Shanta have to go here and Bar have to go over here. Me not a story, na girl. Yeah. But 2 prize bowl them have to come on too. Them a prize bowl. So Shanta have to go here. Shanta go here and Andrew go over here. Andrew go yasso. And the Dan with the key. Dan with the key. So all of us are real or fake. I could have a tree that the boy gave me is the tree that me fuck fight or funeral. No one not more than that. If I even tree that him give me get something. Warm to someone wanna fuck and get dollar. Someone that like get 3 blood clot that. Someone wanna man fuck on never stay with you. Not for your hour. Then me could have said my blood clot birthday lonely and depressed. Me and the boy up on the road for the whole day. And some girl like man will fuck the man that will spend their birthday with them and I mean them a worry about. Make sure the ink a 3D. 3 blood clot. Me say the girl them like sad. Me say up here blood clot. Hey, I'm ready to eat out the FYP. Me say me nah leave it a blood. Me say me a champion in action. Me say the lady but me say every turn on the lady me say. The rotten pussy girl. The rotten pussy girl with the expire calendar. She don't know say blood clot Christmas come on next year January 1st. 2020 blood clot. Go look at life. You understand because what? How it burn you so? It have to burn you. So because what? A man no want me, I'm a tattoo him name for me and no my business that. How it burn you so? The man no want me, I say alright, them still got tattoo him name and it's still blood clot burn you. How it burn you so? I want to ask the people, you know. I want this reach by the FYPs. Only some the man no want me. Fine. Thank you. Right? I'm still around the ink. Who want uno? Uno say the man no wants me. Fine. Me not have no problem with that. But who want uno not stay with you? Who want uno? I want to sad lonely and blood clot the prince. And I want sad lonely and the person of blood clot. And I fight for spot pan TikTok. And I fight for the blood. And I fight for blood clot diamonds in the blood clot. Me no walk and tell the boy them want me. Grow for love me. Me take man what me want. So it's easy for me to walk away when me want you. When me no want you no more, me can't walk away. I never tell that already war. You forgot. No, me I'll tell this because the year I don't know, me not go tell it next come in January. Me take the man and what me want. So it's when me ready, me can't tell hello sir, bye. Go on. Whether we have strings attached or not. Me take the man when me want. Or anybody when me like me, take me not take nobody when me no want. So me not like him, me not take you. I not like him, I not girl on you, so I know you worry about the wrong to the blood clot things. I not force man for one, I like one pay man for one to know. If a boy no want me fight, me go and want you till me no want you no more. I hope a boy my fuck and them no want me and know me there so and them not there so. So me ain't no blood clot problem. Real or fake, me not my blood clot good relationship. I mean I'm in a sorry rotten pussy girl when them bend down and get up a peer scent in an argument with me. Me not want no story upon the FYP. One of them upon the FYPs. I eat up them blood clot self. But put on the blood clot. The set me put on the put on, but you know what I'm gonna do on next trip? The lock and the key for my heart. The lock over here, so the lock and key there, so the lock over here and the key, so I didn't force them go on. So the wall only get blood clot trick. But put on the lock and the key first. I said, alright then, I got challenge the boy. But I'll be the 2 pin first for my kids. Shanta and Andrew have to go on first. You know what argument with them still, you know. So what I'm trot. I told him this attack to my mother. What more? How's everything? How would he say? I beg somebody some blood clot food and can't get it. Yeah. Espa want me. You like in a problem with our words, the people are gonna want to tell you to leave them blood clot like because you know what about them? I tell you what about them. It's in the store, it's when them have them time. But tell you what about some of them on the FYP. Yeah. I tell you the honest truth. So when them have them time, the whole of them, I have seen a lot of them. Bad man and jealousy. So when them have them time, when them have them time, everybody get them time. All of who we are on no cloud, every individually get them time. One of the time she was blood clad most, the highly most. Me gonna be honest. Kayla come here, me gonna be honest. I know I'm not afraid for girl named Paya. One of the time them chat, Ivany around the net. Every scroll your blood clot scroll. Every scroll you scroll. If I say no, sir. Then what's so special about this blood clot girl here? Every scroll you scroll. When she there in our the penitentiary. What the place them she did there? What the place them she did there? I remember wait the place them she did there? Never forgot. What the place name? Detentory. Detention. I'm bringing an RT boss that the court that the beggings and money for take out of detention. Every scroll your blood clot scroll. Pan TikTok. Somebody with our name. Every scroll your blood clot scroll. Vanya me the only bitch ever call a name. It's when somebody come from my life come ask me what I think I say look in a girl. I'll pink wall catch it. Give me tell them say listen. I work me coming on. I look me, I look. You live in a rent house. Me no live nowhere. Stop me. I look. Me no want to talk about that. I mean, the only girl never talk about you. Me. Not talk about you. You no make no sense to me. No girl no make no sense to me. Me talk about a boy who gonna fuck me. Me not talk about girls. I mean alone. Me alone pan TikTok. No talk about you. No care what keep for you. Me not give two shit. I don't give two fuck. I remember you put on King Pyre and I King put on your name. I wanna still if I'm still never did care. I'ma see everything when upon the FY become me not blind. Me not talk about girls, the girl must always talk about me. Me a trendsetter. I mean the only blood clot girl when you in a detention never talk about you. One time, when I scratch with every weapon the FYV van, I cool off the FYP for a week. Come a time for your name. I can't find nothing for look on what interests me. Everywhere me turn, every single way me turn. I feel her name, I ring everywhere. I feel said, no, sir. This is a FYP slut here. I give FYP a break for a week. Because I don't want to talk about her. What me I try to say is, the whole of them get them time Paya. She get her time when she have one open gift or shoot her down. Her dog get him time, Swissley get him time, Vanny get him blood clot time, Jaden get him time. One time I don't let her run it one night time. Everybody get them blood clot time Paya. Everybody. I want my time when they just don't my blood clot business so. I assume me no two give two fuck. Me no blood clot care. Cause Cause my money now put on my pot of gifters, put on my pot. So any big thinking pussy girl want chat about me that fear business. But not till I ref my case, you know. I mean, I come argue with you. Anything you want slung and blood clot talk about. Me no blood clot care. Cause if I want a boy, I go fuck him regardless. If I want a boy for fuck me, I go fuck him regardless. Me no care about nothing. Like someone not get that. I don't get that. Me no care. Me no business. Me no care. If I want a boy for fuck me, I'll fuck him. That me I tell you no. Me no care. Wanna keep on talk like me care. All the boy no want you. Me no care about that. I hope a boy me fuck no want me. One whole heap. Me take them out of man. Me take them in my lifetime. Me no see none of them there. So tell them never did want me. So me no see what the sense when I say. Kayla. My ears them both 40 times. Me no listen to people. Nobody can me no easily program. I'm not easily manipulated. So the whole on that the year I done. When I tell me that from when will win. Me know. I'm still blood clot risk it for the biscuit. What do you know? When I rest for the year I done, don't rest me. The boy know I am and who want to know? If it was my birthday 2 days ago, me know the boy will when I want me would have carry me out and spend it with me. And him don't want me. A man don't want uno. Nah spend not even 24 hours. Jesus Christ, I cry. Man don't want them not even spend 24 hours, you know. Not even 2 seconds. Imagine a boy fuck me and I look. You know the worst thing when a boy fuck you and I look. I could have if a boy ever block. You know the worst thing could happen if a boy fuck you and I look. You have to beg me attention. You know when me fuck boy I run from them? You tell me fuck boy I run far from you. But don't avoid me. Avoid me. Yeah. Cause sometimes I have other things I think about. I'm gonna bury man in my blood clot criminal come like Simone. I may have 2 years to think about. I may have other things to think about, yeah. My fuck boy me run far from man. Yes man. Fuck a boy one blood clot night. Me never forgot. It's the next one I see the boy. Me never look on him. He might want if be sick in me there or something. Me look when I see me just look around on him, my old mate straight. I said, but me fuck the girl last night. And just look that evil look me now look on you. And if you there you saw me, I walk around the blood clot because I don't even want to see. Yes, I'm stay. Long time. All of my days only ever spot I take blood clot, man. Me just see boy, when me a boy fuck me no want to see you. When me don't want to see you, when you done for go on where I go. You done the moment good and nice, go on. Me have other things to think about. Me no man crazy in a van, me just will like people. And when I like a person, I like ride with them. I just me stay. But the commands the man crazy, me no man crazy. So I like a person, but just like ride with them. Whether it's a boy with me, I go fuck or whether it's my friend. I saw me ride with people. I saw me ride come and trust people. I want to give me trust in a certain way. I just want to come around and have to trust myself come and like go around people. People that say about, oh, Rosealee, and see me. And I must talk to your fans, man. I say fans. Fans. Hold on there. Fans. I saw me stay. I love go around people. Fans. Me. When I get comfortable, I'm gonna easily get comfortable because my blood clot spirit when I look on you. You mad? Before boy want to look on them. Not even a hello. All my call my phone and blood clot answer. I don't know, fuck him up from God, that's my mind just strange. I just saw mistake. Me and Mrs. Unpredictable. Me don't want a girl watch out my own. At 2020 blood clots they're gonna tell me. I never know a girl still what girl pussy. Some girl want like me and them have blood clot friend and me and them have family and them my mama and me and them related to blood clot something. Me don't want a girl tell me say no boy no want me. Me not fix no part of my shape bad self in a man. So me not look no man. I see the girl in the breast teeth and bottom man now stay with him. With the bumper pussy clad wrong with someone. On the breast, for stiff out and chocolate boy like niggle. On the body, flat belly. And yet still there's no man. Oh, the bumper pussy blood clot, I could have breathed and I see man. And I'm a 25-year-old, 26-year-old woman. Now have a blood clot, man. I know me I run from blood clot, man, you know. I don't pay man for follow no go up and trip and date. Me not pay the boy to follow me. If a boy ring my phone and I want to come stay about in business, me go about my business. Me not run behind a man. You only will like a person. And sometimes I tell you, my like is no, I will love you now, I hate you. I will love you now and 2 minutes I hate you, you know. It's so I stay. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I will love you this now minute. As a blood clot, and then the next minute, look here now, me know I'm here for. Let's go on in the name of Jesus. Come and just love you now. I would marry now and divorce a man in. Me never want the blood clot, man. Me never sure. My mind no make up yet. It's so I stay. What are you talking? What about me my blood clot bone? What? Me say me pass on the back. Why I come and set to blood clot? Me say me fast on the background and I don't say none of my kind. I say, oh God. Them don't sell TV around there. Me not stay with us. I want me I go because tomorrow judgment. Cause I have to enter the rocks. It's late now, you know. When I come talk to my girls, I'm so warmer. I say the girl make about 40 blood clot video for me. The girl is mad. I say God, I sorry. I say if I saw me know it, they got burn van out. I put AKEEM name. 40 blood clot time. 40 different blood clot. AKEEM. I had both for me. And I know so by then you gotta swallow some bleach. I know should I drink the bottle of bleach. Me know should I bring the bottle of bleach. And me put AKEEM name for me. 40, me sorry. I couldn't do it. 40 more blood clot time. And every turn me touch a seat. Me know you don't go for the black of bleach. Because I'm sad in a foreign, you know. One big empty house with no man. Only a child and a dog. You know have a blood clot sad. Come on now. Let me talk about you. How you like talk about me? We not argue. One big empty house with no man. You not fight. You don't even have 2 good friends. Everybody hate you. Your mama hate you, stay hate you. All the dog hate you because the dog have to eat if you bite ice. The dog have to eat to bite ice. One, this blood clot young girl lonely in a friend. The girl have 2 friends. They got to say, Vanya, birthday, you couldn't go to that friend. For the whole blood clot that stunk on TikTok. For the whole night. She no move. Just up in a Halloween blood clot costume and crown over head and a 2 bubble gum. I'm down. For the whole blood clot night, I watch me. And every move you never would have move. For the whole night. I mean, I saw a sad blood clot young little girl. Van when me long like me a worry no prostitute. Me go take her on the blood clot road. If me no want fuck, no, me no want fuck. No, me a be a boy, me a 3 and 2 and 4 man me keep. Me no keep one blood clot, man. That's why I fuck with my blood, I leave. I'm not wait for a boy to leave me walk away. I'm make sure me walk away. I'm not wait for a boy to leave me just make them go on. Me walk away. And you can't know the trick when me go walk away, I go say it here. You don't know when I might walk away. I can wake up one man and say I don't want to see you and you're not seeing me. Something about it that irritates me the other day and go on. It's why I program in Ivany. But for you know when your birthday was there, I don't see you go to not even a friend. Bad to bad, remember one birthday, me never have. Bad to bad, remember one birthday. When me did have a man, come and have them. Me have my husband, but me have a man. Me have my husband, but me have a man. Bad to bad, one blood clot birthday. Me have the man now, no, me have a husband. And me and Toto go for my birthday. Me can't forget. I'm going to tell you, say, me the broke, and me the hungry them the days, but me I tell you, say, my friend, me enjoy my birthday. We got one blood clot party near Chelsea Avenue. They say we chuckle bus keep. One local brunch. My wine till I when I time me had to run and drop a ground. We keep good friends, you know. Sometimes in life don't resolve about man. I keep some nice friend. I want to have a friend in America. I should the only bitch have a friend in America. I should have a ice and the dog. Jesus, I should torment so. Sad life I beat them, you know. It's them torment so. Cause me, if I be a big woman on my birthday come and me not even a friend, me not have to carry me blood clot out. Me and my friend did have a blood clot out. Her birthday the year before she got to Los Angeles, she and her son, no man. Not even a friend. Me go out with my friend them. Instead of you in our blood clot also no man and no pussy clot friend. Oh yeah, clock T-span girl. Me never lonely yet. Me might alone, but me not lonely. A 385 friend me have. Me ever have somebody can call and sit down and chat to and keep my company at night time. We do it over. Me never lonely yet. I'm always on the phone. And if total the day about too bad, but they have blood clots spoil as a long time. Back to bad, if total the day, my child, what they all about? Total tomorrow, blood clot Friday way. Them say, alright, friend, here what? We are go up Chelsea Avenue. We are go New Kingston. We are go around the bend. We are go around the band. We are bam, boom, bam, bang. Blood clot, we are walk along a mall. We are walk go somewhere. We are go drink something. We are go play two Romy. We are go play two Sinker. We go drink two blood clot liquor. Worse me have care. My friend, two and something I go drive out. We got Ochi. Go look at friend girl. I go argue the year I done. I go left some of them that you come and I go argue the girl when them life not improve. Having no all girl for so long and tell me say a man no want me when you cannot even keep a man. That is crazy. Oh, some girl was slim and neat. I got look at me over there and tell me say man no want me when Uno can't keep a man. Uno can't keep no man. Show me the man what Uno can keep. You focus on the wrong sort of things. Because as you fuck a man today, tomorrow him vanish. Because you fuck a man on tomorrow him vanish. You fuck all of the man you fuck eat you or you picking and the dog. You ever want an argument with girl? Eh? You don't love cloud too much. You're not going to ride my back rotten hole. Because me can't imitate stinking pussy. Me don't know you do that blood clot that. Oh. There's everything them do for stereo and van. Yeah, them fuck man tomorrow them vanish. You never know. She a fuck one of them. What the man named G or Z or G go send that one. She a fuck with them G's. So when you go over and blood clot at them say, are you Ivany? You never tell man say who? Hey, I can have get this. Oh my God. Mr. You're not awful. The people that go over the boy and go ask the boy me and him in a relationship, but say, who's that? Why? Mr. them look a bit neat, and I'm on this one, them crutches. Oh my God. Hey, girl, go on over here, man. Mr. You're salt. Mr. Try come here, be on the reason. Mr. She blood clot, the people go over and chat, go ask the man, say, did you Ivany in a relationship? The man say who? The worst reject. The worst reject what you ever get in your life upon the media. Come on, reject on upon the media. Sugar! Sugar, come here, my baby. Sugar! 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 Sugar send one plan, come give me upon the 5 number, my baby. So now I'm plan come give me girl. On the 5 number. Okay, the worst is blood clotting. And when a man can blood clot this son, you go. When a big man for want to, and a big man for like, and I pay him. Could have my blood clot man and I go to surgery and have a pay my man to follow me go to surgery. You must be blood clot sick. Go away, yeah, girl. Go away, yeah, girl. When I look, she take up, she got tattoo the man, and the man no want her answer. Answer? Wow. I'm that tattoo 100 more boy name where no want me and me want them. The year I done, I was telling it for the last time. When me I talk to boy, long as me want a boy, I said work for me. Yeah, man, I say. Oh. Yeah. Cause them man happy. Them can't keep a man. Them can't keep a man and them can't keep friend. Know this. Boy don't want me granted. Me not a problem. Boy don't want me granted. Me want him. Your baby father don't want you. I don't know your man will take don't want you. Me want him, that me say. You. I'm gonna care. So when I can't stop typing no like me not care. Me I tell you I don't care. Me want him. Me want him. Me don't make up my mind already say me don't want him. I me not care. Yeah. Me don't make up my mind already say me want him and me not care. And that's the plain blood clot truth. And when my mind is made up, me not care what nobody want to say. Me not care what nobody want to say. From my mind made up say, me want you. From my mind make up say, me are friend to the end like Chucky. We are blood clot friend to the end like Chucky. I tell you all me and people fall out. And you as an individual have to do me something. For me I have problem with you. You as an individual have to do me something. So say me and son, you give me something. I saw the 3F done. If you as an individual do me something with dreadful, I saw me done with you. Nobody can manipulate me and corrupt me. Me not run. Nobody can run file a program pan blood clot me. Me not give a fuck. Me not care. Uno me and me. Uno can't think for blood clot me. Anything at all we want to put in the blood clot chicken, but me not give 2 blood clot fuck. Cause if a man, me tell myself, me ride it and suck it off, me ride it and suck it off. Me don't need nobody approval. You know what? Somebody approve some. No approval. Eh? You don't want to live my life for me, so no. Want to live because somebody got them over here in my business. What do? Come here. Me no want to really do this too long, you know, cause me go call my wife and my blood clot husband. What to do in 24 hours? Because clearly me could have never, ever see say a boy no want a girl and she put her name on it and make it bad at me. I said, there's a chunk fucking that chunk move up my mouth. What to do in the 24 hours? But anyway, I do the 24 and the rest of girls and boys over here. What to do in the 24 hours? Yeah. Cause you know what me eat? The one that have platform I look clout. Yes, my baby, thank you so much, my darling. The thing I ate and you're the one that have a platform and look clout. Me not like you know. Cause you have platform and still walk and look clout all about. Man no want me. Me sleep good on the piece of bed I buy. Me eat and drink and me still alive. Angel, my good baby father. Again. Man no want me. I sleep good at the bed. I sleep good in the bed with my money buy. I eat and drink. I do have worries. Boy no want me, I mean I worry. Boy no want me. Boy no want me, I mean I worry. Boy no want me, I mean I worry. You know, I don't worry. The first time I see this, I'm a banner the woman. Everything me do is a problem. Every na shit them not swallow. I'm going to put blood clot Lee. I'm going to find somebody to put Lee. And so I got drop down and dead. I put the boy blood clot date of birth. And then I'm going to put him finger blood clot print. Right as the side of my pussy sauce with him and print it out and dry it and tattoo it. I'm going to see who else I got drop down. A kerosene I'm going to search a drink now. Vanya don't drink the bleach now. They got search a kerosene aisle. You just subordinate them. I'll get some kerosene aisle for blood clot drink. Me older than you only in a man blood clot worries a man poke. Me never in a poke yet. The arts want what the arts want. If him a run, make him run. Me not time man pa me not do for do that. The arts want what the arts want. The art want what the art wants. Me not time man pa me. Me release everybody boy pick me. Cause me no want none who long minds. The art wants what the art wants. Simple. Yeah. So I'll want on a class. I remember I want to tell the things I mean. I'm going to class him. I'm going to rub him down. I'm going to rub him out. I don't know yet to come. And him yet to walk away. Nobody have challenges in their life. The arts want what the arts want. I'm going to do about that. Don't beat me, go beat God. Make somebody have art for no. Yeah. If you can go on a person, on have one. Well, you can go on a person, you can slung and talk and band together and laughter in it. The art want what the art want. And every friend you have go slung and run joke and laugh and the arts want what the art never a dull moment. Yeah. Come here a friend like that. Never a dull moment. The arts want what the art want. Nobody now run from nobody who go, what am I go around them and them treat them bad. If me that go around him and he not treat me bad and me I treat him bad, the two would have gone already. The arts one with the arts one with the art one. As stubborn as the two will be, the art want what the art want. Yeah. If me that go around somebody and them make me happy, me not go around them. I remember the life of the party. I can raps and together we still and look past something and blood clot laugh and run to joke. And we are dead with laugh. Yeah, we have laugh in the moment too. We still and laugh and something and laugh and enjoy ourselves. Yeah. You ever know that, Vany? Yeah. It's not about who want who. It's about when you go on a person how they make you feel. Yeah. But not going nobody was sad like midnight. Every day say yeah, when she done ball out, I tell her when she stressed when she go clean out her house. She fixed the wardrobe 300 times. See it already. She redo the bed. She redo the kitchen. And then she start clean, stress. And then she come out with the emoji of 5 hour water balling. Aye, she ball till aye swell. No make you trick you. I want sad little blood clot bunny rabbit that. Ivany is sad girl. No matter you come here and feel like she live my life sad. And then she come here with the blood clot emoji. She just don't take about 5 hours water blood clot balling. Don't think she left with she left with a solo one pill buckle. 5 hours water balling because it's not easy to live alone and being a single mom, you know. I have all your bill and expenses that will come by you and then every day kind show so big. Sometimes she want a time out and sometimes she want a break. Yeah, she like her baby father come for ice. For y'all want 2 weeks and she can do her yard and just relax her mind and herself. Because she have a focus on work and the pitney. And it's not easy if you have a toddler, you have to focus on the toddler and then a focus on the pay your blood clot bills. So me know you have worries more than me. It's a sad case. I know that. So when I troll me, I don't look at you. Because this past man one and this not reach man one, you're sorry. So you walk and take out the problem for the for me. You take a problem for me, miss. Me not sad like you. Me not sad like you. Me? Miss a go-getter. I come from rough life. When life hit me, you bounce back. When life hit you, bounce back. Learn for such a pace. You rise out of the ashes like feet. A whole heap bring down me get you so. One whole heap. The year are done, and I tell her, from January, come straight down. Police my mama so cocky video sent out. Police expose me. Me house expose. One whole for trauma and drama. Then class, when they come, then class me go. Everything me do them class. Them class me pity them. Me keep Shanta party them class. Every blood clot thing me do them classmates. Here. See me here? I will always rise out of the ashes like Phoenix, you know. Me not gonna blood clot way. Cause me not leave here go no. Cause when the people them come to see me and reach out to see me not make them go uno. Me not make them go uno. Them want to see me. So I will always rise out of the ashes like Phoenix. I know so I saw life go. I will over time my blood clot I'm ashamed like dog. Shame. Me shade down to my toe. Wait for them, me not have feelings. Me not have feelings. Me have feelings. Sometimes I don't see me a bad. I do what I want to do my fire. But just there, I just see me start look straight. And my head start, my brain start to run me and overthink and the tears just come out of my eye. Because I want to do my bad. I'm going to do the worst aspire. When I tell me I'm not like me. I'm there, see me? When you think I mash up, I'm there same way. Someone who don't like me, don't give me a chance to breathe. Everything I do on my neck back. Everything I do on my neck back. All when me right, fool, me wrong. You don't give me a chance, pan this a blood clot. And the two look support of them save me. Because I never have them who come here because they give me a chance. And the few support of them I have was say Rosealee straight from the get-go and them save me by ya. Someone will give me a chance, a blood clot. My bad mind, me this, me that. For bad mind, oh, can I be bad mind? We're going to talk about bad mind. Come in and move for talk, you know. Oh, can I bad mind you for something like somebody take out the pocket and give you? Make it make sense. Oh, for bad mind for people money. Oh, she bad mind for people money? Eh? Ask the people that give me. Family lovely, come here. Ask the people that give me. Family lovely, to Urfa, to what them come on name them blood clot out, you know. See them and I watching Keisha, Munchie. See them your man. J. Icon, Shay, Carla, Pretty Sexy, Jenny, Rosa Fuller, Mali, Shan, all of them, Carmel, all of them, everybody. I never share my life to a girl yet, you know. Mr. Boss bitch, me not share my life, you know. I have never shared my life to nobody. Never. Me with a girl come, I say, come here, good as. Something to win. Me do a suck off or a ride off. I plan 2 story, I come with 2 charisma and grab my crowd and can keep my hand and my liquor so I keep my face alive. I never share my life to people. I have gifters in my phone. Me have sometimes I have all of my gifters, them have them. Majority of them have them number. Me not beg them.